2023 has been an exciting year for Remitano, the most user-friendly platform in Africa. We've been working hard to improve our services and make them even more simple and fast. Here are some of the updates we've made in the first quarter of 2023. From March 15, 2023, Remitano launches our new referral program for the South African market, which we believe will benefit our users. Join our referral program with your friends and both of you can unlock the thrilling opportunity to earn unlimited Bitcoin rewards together. We've also implemented our buy, sell gift cards feature, making it even easier for you to turn your cryptocurrencies into real-world goods and services. You can now buy and sell gift cards from a wider range of merchants, including popular brands like Amazon, iTunes, and Google Play. Last but not least, we've redesigned our P2P exchange interface to make it more user-friendly and intuitive. You can now trade cryptocurrencies with other users in a simpler and more streamlined way. We are also proud to announce that takers can now enjoy free trading on our platform. When you buy or sell cryptocurrencies by placing trades from ads posted by makers on Remitano P2P, you won't be charged any fees. We've also made improvements to our crypto lending feature. You can now earn cryptos by giving loans to other crypto users needing fiat. Or the other way around, taking loans to get fiat. Our knowledge forum and articles are back and better than ever. We've added new content that covers a wide range of topics related to cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, you'll find something useful in our knowledge forum. During this year, we participate as sponsors of the Blockchain Conference in Africa. This outstanding activity helps us get closer to the ever-growing African blockchain community. These are just a few of the updates we've made in the first quarter of 2023. We are preparing a lot more surprises for the next quarter to come. Do not forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to stay tuned with our programs and events where you can have a lot of fun and at the same time earn additional prizes. We are committed to providing you with the best possible cryptocurrency exchange experience, and we are always working to improve our services. So if you haven't already, sign up for Remitano today and join the millions of users who trust us to handle their digital assets.